Mass TLC's Energy, Information, and Communications Technology cluster assembled a panel of experts to brief us on lessons from the recent GreenBuild International Conference and Expo held here in Boston. I caught up with AutoDesk's Robert Middlebrooks and asked him to tell us about the most interesting or innovative products he saw at the show.
I found some fantastic new products that I would consider great innovations. I'm always looking on the floor at a trade show or a GreenBuild like this, looking for those things that people have taken and combined good sustainability with design innovation. Sometimes it's the merger of two very simple technologies to actually solve a real-world problem. So a couple of things I saw that I really thought were interesting was the concept of a vertical light that had mounted to it. It was an exterior light that had mounted to it a vertical wind turbine, so that you could put a light pole completely off the grid in any environment, and it simply used wind energy to be able to power the light. You know, in a coastal environment or an environment where you've got some type of exposure, you know, that's a completely sustainable, rather low-tech if you think about the fact that lighting energy isn't that difficult, turbine energy isn't that different, but the design innovation of moving them together, or placing together, was really important. The other one that I saw, which was particularly interesting, was a wireless switch technology. In particular, most people see those environments using a battery, but this company had developed the ability to be able to take a switch, and the motion of your finger pressing on the switch generated enough electricity for the RF signal to be able to turn on and off a light that had a module attached to it. At first I thought, well, that's a great renovation, type activity. And they pointed out even further that they're using this in brand new construction simply because they can save tremendous amounts of copper and wiring and installation costs, because they don't need all of that to be able to control the light. So the only wiring that's actually installed in a brand new building could be just the wiring that supports the light itself. But all the control devices are completely battery-free, meaning they don't have any maintenance at all, but completely battery-free and wireless, installed on the walls. And they could be reprogrammed just like you would a garage door opener. Really innovative solutions, I think, that are helping solve real-world problems.